This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news.
They said AI couldn't replace an entire team in one conversation. GPT-5 just did. You're about to watch it take messy data, build a plan, write the docs, design the product, code it, and hand you the prototype, all before you could finish a meeting invite. This isn't just faster, it's strategic. GPT-5 doesn't wait for instructions on how to think, it decides. It knows when to give you a lightning answer and when to pause, run deep analysis, and act like a domain expert. Say, think hard about this, and it literally shifts gears. And now it's the default inside ChatGPT. Regular users get it out of the box. Plus gets more firepower, Pro gets the heavyweight reasoning mode for the complex stuff. But here's where it gets wild. One request: review my customer feedback, stack rank the roadmap features, and prototype new ideas. In seconds, GPT-5 sorts the chaos, grouping comments, spotting patterns, scoring impact, and then it does something no spreadsheet ever will. It asks the right follow-up question. You feed it raw, messy Excel data. It thinks longer, runs code you can see, and transforms noise into insight. Charts, tables, priorities, so clear you could take them to your boardroom without touching a slide. Top two features pop: auto rebooking and price drop alerts. Without missing a beat, GPT-5 writes full PRDs complete with KPIs, constraints, and user stories that actually make sense. Then you tell it, turn this into a working prototype, and it codes, live. Modern, beautiful UI, no lorem ipsum placeholders, just the real thing you can click and test. It doesn't stop there. It packages everything into an executive memo, TLDR at the top, deliverables table, visual summaries, timelines, risks, next steps, the kind of briefing senior leadership dreams about. This is one continuous thread, no plugins, no switching tools, no waiting on people. From raw input to finished product. GPT-4 was an assistant, GPT-5 is a teammate, the kind who ships. Subscribe to AIX for more uncut AI breakdowns and tell me in the comments the first thing you'd make GPT-5 build. I'll pin the best one.